Nathan Cox, thank you for joining us on Around the Home. Okay, today I'm going to do a review video on one of my most popular videos, which is the hose end repair. Now if I could just find my hose around here somewhere. Okay, I guess it found me, but... Alright, having a little bit of fun here, but that's okay because it's like almost 100 degrees. And me and my daughter have been working outside, she's helping with the camera. Let's get back to the what we're talking about here, the hose end repair. I did the original video, which if you guys didn't see how to do the repair, top right of your screen, the video will be popping up. I'll also put a link in the description down below, along with Amazon links in the description down below for the repair pieces. Not only do you get the same ones I'm using here, but we're Amazon affiliates, help support the channel, blah blah blah. Please just click away. Alright? I've had this on here now I think 4 years. Okay, if you will see my other video, I have no beard on, I'm wearing my old glasses. Pretty sure it's at least been 3 years, but I think it's been 4 years. As you guys can see, it almost looks like it's still brand new. So if you guys ask me what I think about this, I definitely give this 2 thumbs up. Very solid materials, the quality of it, and it's very much worth your money to do. I have this hose is like 15 years old, but it was one of the most expensive hoses I could buy at the time. I've had this on here for like 4 years now, and I'm probably going to have this hose for at least another 5 more years yet, I expect it, okay? So really worth your money to save your hose. Now I have had one commenter say that you can get this at half price at Home Depot, so I went to check it out. And there's one that looks almost identical to this, but it's from a different company, it's a different brand, okay? And it's not solid materials. And if you go start looking through the reviews at all on Home Depot for that fitting, everyone's like 1 year on, this is like corroding, it's rusting, it's terrible, I hate it. Okay, this one here that I've got, solid brass up here and solid zinc down here. This is the hose I use for everything, every year. I take it up for 4 months during the winter, and it's outside here, doing my yard, filling my pool. This is the one hose I use for everything, and this end has been used for it. So, if you guys want to save a really great hose, and you're like, I don't want to throw it away, it's an expensive hose, get this fitting, it's easy to do, and it lasts. It's actually almost better than the original fittings, okay? Thanks so much for watching. Please take a moment, subscribe to our channel, check out our website, hundreds more videos organized really, really well, and then there's a couple more videos for you guys to check out. Hey, thanks again, you guys have a great one.